In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Base44 project for free with this easy guide. First, head over to Base44, sign into your account, and open the project you want to export. Once you're inside the app editor, the main place you need to go is the code tab at the top of the screen. Click that, and Base44 will open your project's file structure along with the source code. This is where you can check what export options are available for your current plan. Now look toward the top right area of the code view. If your Base44 plan includes direct export support, you should see an option called Export Project as Zip. Click that, and Base44 will download your project files as a zip archive. This is the quickest and cleanest method because it gives you the project files in one package, ready to save and review on your computer. If you're using the free plan, that zip export option may not appear. In that case, you can still access the code from the code view and manually copy the individual files. To do this properly, recreate the same folder structure on your computer and save each file into the matching location. It takes a little more time, but it's a practical workaround if you want to keep a local copy of your project without upgrading. Just keep in mind that this is a manual method rather than an official one-click free export feature. If you also need your project's database content, you'll need to export that separately. Go to the data section, choose the collection you want, then click more actions and select export. That will let you download the collection as a CSV file. This is helpful if you want to preserve your records, move data into another tool, or keep a backup alongside your project files. There's also another option for more technical users. Base44 offers a CLI with an eject command that can download an app's front-end code and back-end resources into a local project. However, there's one important limitation. The ejected project gets a new backend with an empty database, so your existing database records are not carried over. Once you've downloaded or copied your files, open the project folder locally in VS Code or any code editor you prefer. Take a moment to review the files and dependencies before trying to run or deploy the project somewhere else. That final check can save you time and help you spot anything missing right away.